What's going on, my crypto friends? It's your Cardano friend Jack here. Today we're going to be taking a look at what a $10 Cardano would do to the crypto market, and is it a Bitcoin killer? So in this video, I really want to talk about how a $10 Cardano could impact the crypto space as a whole in terms of not only the market cap of Cardano, but what would it need to do in order to actually reach that $10 target, and how it might actually have to take some chunks out of our other crypto friends, Bitcoin and Ethereum, to get there. So originally, this whole video idea was actually prompted from an article that was published, about 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago, and why you don't want Cardano to hit $10. Now, this article is quite long, introduces people to Cardano. It is on Nasdaq.com and tells them all about it, but the one thing that I want to highlight is Bitcoin dominance, and also their prediction that $10 ADA might mean a $30,000 Bitcoin. I'm not sure about that one. I think that was kind of a little bit of a clickbait. Read below because that's interesting. But what I want to talk about is this. Prior to the last crypto rally in 2017, BTC dominance frequently ranged between 80 and 90%. But as the rally gained serious momentum, BTC dominance slipped between 40 to 60%. In other words, as investors bought up the cheaper altcoins, it became at the expense of Bitcoin's market share. Here's the thing though, one thing I want to clarify. I know that Bitcoin dominance going down is actually a good thing for the crypto space. I really do think so, because that means more people are interested in not just Bitcoin. They're interested in altcoins, they're interested in all types of cryptos. And that's good for everyone. It's actually still good for Bitcoin, I think, because it definitely pays the way for more adoption. More adoption means more sustainability. More sustainability means more long-term gains, and I really like that. But I want to look at what it might mean if $10 ADA is to happen and what it can mean for the rest of the market. Just a little bit of speculation fun here, nothing too serious. But before we hop into that, one other article that I thought was pretty interesting and kind of related to Bitcoin market dominance is something that Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano, actually spoke about in one of his recent videos. So in one of his recent videos on his YouTube channel, he acknowledged that while the cryptocurrency market as a whole has usually trended with Bitcoin, this season is noticeably different. And this is true. Even in the past week, Cardano has been, rallying against Bitcoin and kind of taking its own mind and going with its own rally, which is really impressive and really good bullish sign, at least in my opinion, for an altcoin to be more sustainable. Even if it's just a short-term benefit, I think that's a really good indicator for the long-term side of things. Yes, the price short-term may drop, but I really did like how it actually, put up a fight against its bigger and strongest brother Bitcoin, and, kind of made some own price action for itself. Now, Hoskinson in this video also highlighted that we are seeing significant counter-cyclic movement for the first time, adding that Bitcoin dominance has fallen to 43%, which is quite low. Not that that's a bad thing, but it's just something to highlight. And the Cardano ADA founder also emphasized that institutional preference has not been unilaterally for Bitcoin. Very, very good thing to note. So, a $10 Cardano. What does that mean in terms of market cap? Well, as of right now, with the current circulating supply, it means about 320 million. I'll zoom in on this for you. This is my passive income calculator. If you want to download this, I'll leave a video down below basically talking all about this. But I just want to show you the market cap is 320 billion if we have a $10 Cardano. Now, going and looking at the other market share right now, that's almost half the size of Bitcoin right now if Bitcoin is not to move in terms of market cap. Obviously, it probably will move if Cardano moves up a bit, but it's not looking so difficult right now. Okay, Cardano is in the third spot if we're skipping over Tether, and it's been there for a day or two now. It was fighting with Binance, it still kind of is, but for Cardano to flip Ethereum is in the question now, especially with it taking its own price action. It's up 10% on the 7-day, where Bitcoin's down 5% and Ethereum's pretty much sitting even. Being up 10% on the 7-day compared to its big brothers is something that's really bullish and definitely could indicate that Cardano's going up, Bitcoin's going down in terms of price. This doesn't mean Bitcoin's not going to go up or it's going to die. I was just kind of putting the Bitcoin killer in the title to intrigue people and get people to watch the video. I'll admit that. But I really want to explore the fact that if Cardano does go to $10 a $320 billion market cap, I really do think it will take some chunks out of these market caps and their dominance. Not that that's a bad thing, but I want to highlight the fact that in order for Cardano to get up here and contend, it's probably just going to be taking shares more or less than having new investors come in from the crypto space that haven't been in before. It's more or less going to be people who are already in the crypto space and see that Cardano is a really good project. It's not really going to be, oh, I'm new to crypto. Which crypto should I buy? Oh, Bitcoin's, long and steady. Those people go into Bitcoin and then maybe they see later that Cardano is a really good option. Then they would go in. So that's why I really do think it could take a lot of Bitcoin's market share. But this is still very bullish. The fact that people are researching other coins in the crypto space for the crypto space in general and pushes adoption, pushes sustainability, and is really good for this space in total. Even if it's not for Bitcoin in the short term side of things, I think long term it is still a very bullish thing for crypto and Bitcoin. Now, in terms of this year's Cardano price chart, not even this year, the past whole year, Cardano did make a big rapid pump along with the rest of the crypto space, but it's still holding very strong. You can see right here, it's holding very strong, and I really do like this. And if you're ever tempted to look at, say, a 1 month chart and you're looking sad because you're down here, zoom out and you're going to see that we are still up so much in the past year. And even if we do go bear, I don't think we're going to go back to these 8-cent levels. But if we did, I would be all for it because I'd probably just dump, a lot more money into Cardano at these price levels, assuming the sentiment is still positive and the fundamentals are still intact. Alright, and that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. A little bit of hypothesis speculation fun, nothing too serious. If you guys want to see more Cardano content, there's a bunch of videos in my Cardano playlist link below. And as always, I hope you guys have a great day. Peace out.